Welcome to Techmates. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to return an item on Amazon. This guide takes less than 2 minutes, so let's get started. First thing first, launch your application Amazon, and then get logged into your account. Now, in order to access the orders which you would like to return, you'll have to select your profile. And once done, you will see orders. Tap on orders. As I do that, you will see orders that are at least 3 months old. If you want to find older than that, you can select filters. But if you have placed any order for the last 3 months and if you have received it, you will see it all right here. In my case, I have not yet placed any order, but you will see it right here if you have placed any. All you have to do is select that product. And also make sure the product has a eligibility date, and some product might only be eligible for return for at least like a week or so. So make sure there is an eligibility date. And once done, go ahead, tap on return. And this is how you can do it. If it had helped you in any ways, hit like and subscribe to Techmates for more daily tutorials. If you want a guaranteed answer to your question, join our Techmates membership today. Members get priority responses to their comments and questions. The link is right down below.